What's up, YouTube? It's about 7 o'clock Saturday morning. I got up a little early this morning. I wanted to get back out there where I got my HINO parked at and take a look at it, take a look around, some more stuff at it. I looked at it a little bit yesterday, checked everything out, but I wanted to, just kind of go with kind of a fine-tooth comb this morning and kind of look at everything and check everything out and see what I might need to have done and what servicing it might need. So I'm gonna head over there for a little while and check that out today. Probably won't be over there long. I'm just gonna go over there and check everything out, take some notes on what I need to get done and try to call some people next week and try to get it done. That's about it. So stay tuned, stay with me, and I'll catch y'all when I get over there. Alright, YouTube, I'm back out here with the truck again, taking a look at it, looking up under the engine and everything. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what's going on here. Pretty good tires on it. Engine right here. Decent. Tires here. Yep. Pretty decent. Decent. See the tires back here, pretty good. Body's good. Let me show you the inside. This side is pretty decent on the inside. Six-speed. It's got a check engine light. I think it needs to be tuned up. All the stuff changed. Of course, it's getting servicing. See what's going on with that. But it runs well. Get that, whatever that is, I get that straightened out. Could be a sensor or something, but I'll figure it out. Everything else is good. Yeah, I gotta get that put back in right here. That piece came out of there. Probably change the radio out to another radio. AC and heat. Works well. Cold air. Got two compartments up here. Opens up, same as over there. It's a little overhead light up here on both sides. Yeah. Yep, she did. Clean it up a little bit. Of course, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, get it right, get it clean, but I'm very happy about it. Get tires on this side, good years, mud flaps, same on both sides. I will be getting a lift gate installed. I checked on one last night. I will be getting a lift gate installed back here. I don't have one right now, but I will be getting a lift gate installed. They probably have to take this off and put the lift gate on, but I will be getting one of those installed on it, so I can have that situation. Yep, absolutely. get that done. Everything else looks good. Runs well. Runs real good. So this is the back of the truck. Looks good in the back. No problem. Got to clean it up a little bit. Might left some stuff back here. Need to be swept out and cleaned out, throw all this stuff out. In the back of the truck. I got to give me some load bars and some scraps and a pallet jack. This is what was left back here also. It's a camper, a truck camper top that they left it back here. I'm going to dispose of that somewhere or another unless somebody want it. I'm probably going to take it to the junkyard or somewhere and dispose of it. Like a good camper shell. The windows broke out on one side, but it's a good shell. But I'll probably dispose of that. But yeah, the back of the truck is good. No problems at all. It's good on the inside. I mean, the boards and stuff is good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. Very good. This pallet here left back there. Skis, sweep everything out. Good floor. Just need to be swept out. But oh yeah, that's what it is.